What's going on, YouTube? Coming back here with a box of the brand new 2014 Topps Series 1. Jumbo, I should say. Open, goddamn you. Alright. That's what the base look like. Pretty nice design. Ethan Martin rookie. Abraham Almonte. Nice hair. Oh, shut up, stupid. 20% battery. Papelbon. Danny Ventura, he's supposed to be good. Alex Rios gold. Matt Thornton red foil. Justin Upton short print. Jim Rice die cut. Hanley Ramirez upper class. And a Shelby Miller future now. Go back to the Upton in a minute. There's Puig. Harvey. Cards every way. Cody Ashley, that's nice. Aldrelto Simmons, future stars. So, got a nice Upton short print in the first pack. And we go downhill. Mike Zunino, future stars, Andrew McCutchen, Taijuan Walker, Xander Bogaerts, Will Middlebrooks, future stars. Okay. Sergio Romo, one of these power players. You found I don't know what this is. Some power players card thing. David Ortiz die cut. Matt Holliday. Zach Wheeler, Ken Griffey Jr., and a really nice Roberto Clemente thick card. Before they were great, insert. Don't think anything else in here. Aroyd. David Holmberg rookie, Robbie Erlin rookie, and that's it. That's our commemorative. We'll save that. Tyler Skaggs, future. Colton Wong, rookie. Kevin Pillar, rookie. Julio Teheran, future stars. Andre Rizzo, rookie. I think I said it right. Don't really care. Billy Hamilton, rookie. Melky Cabrera gold, Matt Lindstrom gold or red foil, Wade Miley, thingy mabobber, power players thing, Steven Strasburg, nice Trout, and Don Mattingly, 50 years insert. Martin Perez, Matt Davidson rookie, he's supposed to be decent. Will Myers, Ryan Gonads, I don't know. Okay. Off it there. Lots of cards. Another Taijuan Walker. Josmio Pinto. I don't know. Seth Smith gold. Chris Iannetta red. Nice Hamels power players for the PC. The hell? Got an old card in here. Madison Bumgarner, Yu Darvish, Mike Trout, and okay, a Rob Bellior Beat the Hell Up card. Do you get one of these per box? I don't know. This card's beat to hell. It's not numbered or anything. It's got the Topps 75th anniversary logo. I don't know. Howard, he sucks. Tommy Medica, rookie. Zach Wheeler, future. Chia Jen Low, Matt Shoemaker, rookie. Raymond Fuentes, Jonathan Scoop, Loop. That's weird. Looks like we got a relic in here. Maybe a Strata autograph. That'd be awesome. Ethan Martin, rookie again. I know somebody collects Swisher. That's my second one. Okay. Charlie Blackmon, red. Puig insert. That's pretty nice. Griffey. And a Michael Young jersey. That kind of sucked. Profar, future now. Yep. Chad Bettis, rookie. Harper. There's the base Upton. Whoops. That's the base Upton. Kevin Gosman, Jake Marisnik. He's supposed to be good. Michael Choice. Okay. Yosmail Pinto, gold. Cole Hamels, red. That's pretty nice. Darvish, mini. Matt Cain, future now, or whatever that is, upper class. Gene Segura, and Joe Morgan. Some of these are numbered. This one's not. One of those thick cards. Eric Johnson, rookie. Andrew Lambo, rookie. Nick Castellanos. Oh my goodness gracious. Cards going every which way. Wilmer Flores. Machado, Ben Revere. I think he's good. Can't wait for him to come back. Chris Owens. Starling Marte, future now. J.R. Murphy, rookie. Okay. Desmond Gold. Junior Lake, red thingy. Tom Glavine. Machado. Willie McCovey. And, well, that kind of sucked. Andrew Lambo. That sucked. Never even heard of Andrew Lambo. His best highlight was when he made the All-Star team in 2009 for the minors. So, needless to say, he sucks-ish. Ruiz. James Paxton. Alright, Lester, red. Ricky Henderson, mini. Matt Harvey, upper class. Another Puig. And another one of these cards. Al Smith with the Topps logo. 59, and as you can see, good job Topps. Cards all beat to shit. Ty Cobb. Before they were great. Oniquil Garcia. Guess that's right. Travis D'Arnaud. Jim Aducey. Last pack, and then the big fat relic. John Mayberry. Heath Hembury, rookie. Jimmy Rollins. Okay. Carlos Villanueva, red. Another one of these power play cards of Marcell Ozuna. Fred Lynn, mini. Brian McCann. Hung Jin Ryu, and Adrian Gonzalez. And Hamels. Buddy Boschers. And Enny Romero and a Dominic Brown for the PC. Alright, let's see what this fat card is. Machado, Revere, Owens rookie, Heath Hembury, Gausman, Marisnik, Billy Hamilton rookie. Okay. Will Venable, Cano, Harper, and I guess this is okay, George Brett. Not numbered. Rookie class of 74. Really fat card. Andrew Lambeau, he sucks. Castellanos again. Base. Whatever. To recap. Got two of these Puigs. Futures. Both of these are the futures now. I don't know what the difference is. George Brett fat commemorative coin or ring. A Justin Upton short print. A Al Smith. Very good job by Topps. Beat 2 Craps top 75 anniversary card. Andrew Lambeau. Michael Young and Rob Bellior. Never heard of him. Alright guys, thanks for watching.